Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with our ACE writing method. Please have out your notes so you could refer to them as we are going through the activity for today. They should be located in the notes section of your binder, and they look just like this. Real quick, let's go over textual evidence again. Remember, it is words or phrases or sentences from the text that can help us support a claim, and your claim is the answer to the question in one complete sentence. A stands for flipping the question into a statement and answering the question. C stands for citing evidence, using your evidence-based terms or some kind of transitional word or phrase. And then E stands for elaboration and explaining your evidence and how it connects back to your answer. So we're going to refer to our assignment the other day, located under today's assignments. But we are going to look at what can we do to make corrections. Example 1. Loretta getting choked is related to Max's mom's death because they both got choked. On page 128, it says, "I saw you, you killed mommy." This relates because he killed almost both of them. So now, let's take a look at how this could be corrected. In the first part, the author of this paragraph did not restate the question and answer it in the correct manner. So in this teal-colored blue that I have, I wrote, "The experience with Loretta is like the one Max experienced with his mother because Loretta was being choked, which is related to Max's mom's death." Now, the author definitely started with an evidence-based term when he or she cited evidence. So that was an excellent job. So I just tweaked it a little bit and put "in the book it states" and put the page number at the end. Although the way that the author wrote it, it is accurate. However, this thing here where it says, "I saw you, you killed mommy," is not directly from the text. That was paraphrased information. So that was not cited properly and it would be incorrect. Now for the evidence, the author wrote, the explanation, he or she wrote, "This relates because he killed almost both of them." So not that it's incorrect, but more information needs to be elaborated on and how it connected back to Loretta and why it was such a traumatic experience for Max. And the fact that the author wrote "this relates" is very similar to "this shows," so that would be incorrect. Let's take a look at example number 2. Killer Kane is choking Loretta the same way he choked Max's mom. The text says, "Because everything is mixed up, and he's doing the same thing to Loretta Lee that he did to my mom." This shows how Max's dad is doing the same thing that he did to his mom when he was 4. Let's take a look at how we can make corrections to example number 2. Again, we need to flip the question into a statement. The experience with Loretta is like the one Max experienced with his mother because, and then the answer. Killer Kane is choking Loretta the same way he choked Max's mom. Good answer. Now, this author did use an evidence-based term, so to speak, but the text does not speak. So we need to use one that is like the text states, the author wrote, something along those lines. He or she used quotation marks to cite the evidence from the text, but did not provide a page number, which would not be accurate. Again, the explanation starts with "this shows," so we would need to take that out. So this shows how Max's dad is doing the same thing that he did to his mom when he was 4. Again, does not elaborate on the idea of like why this was such a traumatic experience for Max, and it just repeats what the quote is saying. Your turn. You're going to complete the assignment titled "Text Evidence Practice Turkey Hunt" today. It is located under today's assignments for the reading assignment of the day in Google Classroom. Have a good day.